1 minute coaching for PdM technician, condition monitoring technicians, whatever you want to call them, the silent service out there that is finding anomalies very early on the P to F curve, finding anomalies when you can plan, schedule, and kit the jobs and execute it efficiently. So what's my 1 minute advice as a plant manager to that group of people? First of all, hit like and subscribe, folks. Like to keep bumping those numbers up. You guys have the cool tools out there and you're doing great work, and you are a silent service. So there's a couple things inside of my coaching. Number one, you still got to sell. You got to sell what you're doing. When you make a change, you find an anomaly, find something early, you change the mean time between failure, you got to make sure that that's documented and higher up in management understands that. Number two, don't just find problems, fix them. The big money in condition monitoring, continuous condition monitoring, PdM, whatever you want to call it, whatever you use, your plant, is in extending the mean time between failure. Find problems and report them, but also spend time problem solving and fixing them. Finding and fixing would be the theme I'm giving you. Change that mean time between failure from 1 year to 10 years. That's where the big money is, where you can keep the operation running. You don't have to plan, schedule, and kit anything because the event doesn't happen. Finding and fixing. Thank you.